Be ready and start. The present appeal has been filed by the appellant aggrieved against the impugned order dated 21/9/2023 passed by the High Court. Stop. The challenge before the High Court was to the order dated 25/4/2023 passed by the respondent number 53 and the order dated 15/1/2020 passed by respondent number 44. Stop. Wide impugned order. The High Court, while setting a High Court of Judicature at Allahabad Additional Commissioner within bracket administration bracket close Bareilly Division Pilibhat for additional collector within bracket judicial bracket close Bareilly Division Pilibhat aside the aforesaid orders had remanded the case to the respondent number 4 for consideration afresh after giving due opportunity of hearing to the concerned party. Stop. Briefly, the facts of the case, as available on record, are that an application was filed by the private respondents before the collector seeking correction of map for plot number 22. Stop. The same was dismissed wide order dated 27/5/1998. Stop. It was on the basis of a commissioner's report available in the file showing that the appellant was in possession of plot number 22 just above plot number 23. Stop. The appellant was in possession of plot numbers 21/1 and 22/2, whereas the private respondents were in possession of plot number 22/3. Stop. The respondent aforesaid order was challenged by the private respondents by filing an appeal before the additional commissioner. Stop. The same was dismissed wide order dated 4/9/2001. Stop. About 17 years thereafter, the private respondents filed a fresh application under section 30/38 of the Uttar Pradesh Revenue Code, 20065. Stop. The prayer was for correction of the revenue map. Stop. The aforesaid application was dismissed by the respondent number 4 wide order dated 15/1/2020 while taking into consideration the fact that an earlier effort made by the private respondents for the same relief had been negatived. Stop. The aforesaid order was challenged by the private respondents before the respondent number 5, who wide order dated 25/4/2023 upheld the order passed by the respondent number 4 as there was no good reason to reopen the issue settled long back. Stop. Against the aforesaid orders passed by the respondent numbers 4 and 5, the private respondents filed writ petition before the High Court. Stop. The impugned order has been passed in the aforesaid writ petition. Stop. The High Court set aside the orders passed by the respondent numbers 4 and 5 and remanded the matter to the respondent number 4 herein for consideration afresh after affording due opportunity of hearing to all concerned. Stop. Learned counsel for the appellant submitted that no doubt wide impugned order, the matter has been remanded for consideration afresh and even thereafter, in case the appellant is aggrieved, he can avail of his remedies but still, in the case in hand, interference by this court is required to stop multiplicity of litigation. Stop. It is a case in which possession of the parties was determined after consolidation. Stop and over. अगर आपको कोई भी वर्ड डिफ़िकल्ट लगे उसकी आउटलाइन के लिए या किसी भी तरह की कन्फ्यूज़न के लिए आप नीचे कमेंट करें। थैंक यू।